Hello friends, today I am going to present lassi recipe in this video. So lassi is very good for health, especially during summer. So it's a quick and easy recipe. So let's prepare lassi. These are the ingredients that we need to prepare lassi. 1 bowl chilled curd, 2 sliced banana, sugar, chocolate syrup, grated coconut 2 tablespoons, pomegranate seeds 2 tablespoons, dry nuts. Transfer the curd to a blending jar. Then add sugar and few ice cubes. You can plus or minus the amount of sugar and ice here. Then add the banana pieces and blend it. Now lassi is ready. Let's decorate with some chocolate syrup. Here it is optional. You can skip it. So I have taken a glass and pour some chocolate syrup in it. Now add the grounded lassi to a glass. Decorate with some pomegranate seeds, garnished coconut, raisins, few pistachio and the dry fruits of your choices. You can also add the rabri, which is made from the khoya or milk. You can add here as well. And friends, here the lassi is ready to be served. Enjoy it while it is chilled. Thanks for watching it. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.